everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am back with another video. My name is TJ. If you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today I am going to do something that I have not done in a very long time, and that is doing a cash stuffing video. This is going to be, as far as cash wise, it's only going to be like I think $77. $77 is here in cash, and the rest of them are going to be digital. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first binder, cash binder I'm going to use is my spending binder. And excuse me, I have notes I need to look at here. So like I said, some of this is going to be digital, okay? So usually my first category is beauty, but I'm not putting anything into that. But eating out was a digital, so I added $100 to that. So I started off with a zero balance. Today is the April 5th. So I'm just going to write deposit as the description. And the amount is 100. Which leaves me with a balance of 100 as of right now. Then my next category is going to be fun. And this is just for like if we want to go to like any concerts or movies, to the movies, or anything like that. That's what this is for. But I don't have it funded. I'm not funding it today. So I'm going to leave that like it is. Next is going to be grocery, which is also digital. So do the same thing. April 5th. I'm going to put deposit. I do have 200 in there already, so I'm going to put 0 here just so we can keep up with this balance. So 200 right there. Alright, and then the next one is going to be holidays, and I'm not adding to this yet, but my goal is to have $100 in here. So we're not going to, like I said, I'm not adding to that today. And I mean $100 for every holiday that comes up. If I have to use, what's the next holiday? Memorial Day. If I have to use any of those funds by Memorial Day, then I'll just subtract and then add to it so it gets back up to $100. Okay. Household, I want to always keep 20 in here, but I don't need it as of right now, so I'm not going to add to that. Next is going to be miscellaneous, and this was digital. I want it to have $100, and which I do. I always budget for a miscellaneous. So I'm going to put the same thing, deposit, and put 0 here, and then put 100 here. Okay. Then the next one is going to be payday. Now, and I'm going to put a tracker in here for this. But for my payday, it's just a little challenge that I used to do all the time. So it'll always be based on the date that I got paid. So I got paid on the 3rd, April 3rd. So I'm going to add $3 to that. 1, 2, and 3. And put it right on in here. And then I just have a little index card in here. But I'm putting the date that I actually put it in there. Okay, so description, deposit, and I put the 5th, April 5th, today's date. I'm adding $3. I'm not subtracting, and that's going to leave me with a balance of $3. Okay, just put it right on back in here. And then the next one is my next envelope that I have in here is personal. I'm not adding anything to that. Chime, which is like online banking. and I'm adding $20 to that. So I actually do have about, no, I don't have anything in there. So we're just gonna put 0 here. 405. Description, deposit, $20, and that's going to leave me a balance of $20. Okay, so we're done with that. Next is going to be for my boyfriend, and this is just something that I like to do for when I want to do something special for him. So I just put the money in this envelope here. So I always want to have $100 in there. So today is the 5th. Description, deposit, amount 20, balance 20. So $20 is going in here, and I got his like this because he likes purple and he likes black. So I have a mixed hodgepodge, I should say, of different types of cash envelopes. I will be making myself some more. So next is transportation, and that's because we only have one vehicle. I don't drive, and he has to be at work a lot earlier than I do, so I catch the bus to work. And every week or every other week when I get paid, I'm going to add $20 to here, which I've already done for this pay. So, and I actually did that on the 3rd. Deposit, I added 20. Let me see, hold on. So I added 20, that was Wednesday. So that leaves me, okay, I did subtract, let me get my red pen. Subtract 250. And that leaves me with a balance of $17.50. Okay. So that's done. And then that is it for this binder here. And we're going to move on to my next one, which is my sinking funds, which is this blue one here. I've had these for a while. You'll be able to tell that I've had this for a long time. But in this binder, in each one, I gotta put this pen back in the other one. But I try to keep a pen in each one. So in this binder, for birthdays, I'm not adding anything this time. Emergency, I'm not adding anything this time. And well, actually I did. But I'm not going to count that because it literally was an emergency. But I want to try to get this up to 500, so I probably should just go ahead and write that on there, because that's what I'm going to start mine off with. And every time I get 500, I'm going to do my best to deposit it into the bank. So I want 500 in this one. Let's see here. And like I said, I'm going to make me some new labels or something for that. For gifts, I'm gonna change this amount. I have $5 here, but that's how much I want to put it in each time. That's what that meant. Okay, so I'm not adding anything. Let me see. No, I'm not adding anything to gifts. Tay, that's my my grandson. And for my grandkids, until I can increase, there's not a set amount that I want to put in here. So basically, I'm just going to add $1. I'm adding $1 to Tay. And I don't have I'm going to print out some more trackers for this. But $1 to Tay. My oldest granddaughter, she's getting $1. And my youngest granddaughter is getting $1. Okay, I'm not putting anything in my home envelope, but medical, I will be adding 20. I'm not adding anything to Sam's Club, Vacation, or Tech, or my retirement one. So that's it for this binder. Put the pen back this time. Okay, and then my last one, I'm gonna be adding, okay, so for office supplies, I already have, I have $5 on my PayPal for that. I already have a balance for that. So I'm not adding anything to that. And I'm going to make a tracker for that as well. Sometimes I do the monthly challenges, but not this month. Christmas, I am going to be adding 25. 25. Christmas. And then, did I add? Because I should not, I should have a 5 that was supposed to go somewhere else. Let me think here. Okay, I previously, oh, okay, so $5 does go into the office supplies. Okay, and then that leaves me with $1 left, but I'm going to take that $1 and let's see here where I want to add it to. I want to add it to my personal envelope. So that's in here. And personal. Oh, and I already have $1 in here, so I'm gonna add another $1. So today, okay, so the 5th, 05, I'm gonna deposit $1, and that leaves me with a balance of $2. Okay, and then that's it for this. Okay, and that's it. That's all I'm adding today to my cash envelopes. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. And if you just always are, you know, coming in to peep through or whatever, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then ring the notification bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification whenever I post a brand new video. Until next time, bye bye.